Hi friends, this is Aerotech India. You are welcome again. Let's introduce you to with new topic. This is smart bus with smart ticket system. Let's explain the components used. This is RFID on which you have to scan card issued by authorized company. This is exit gate. This is entry gate. This is the wheels of bus on which the bus will move forward. This is Arduino Nano. This is display on which you will be able to see available seats, and when you scan your cards it will also show your remaining balance and available balance also. This is the switch to stop the bus on arriving on halt. This is the switch to start the bus. Now let's start its working. Let's make it power on. As you can see, this is power up. On screen you can see Aerotech India welcomes you. This is greeting for you. Welcome to smart ticket system. As you can see, it is showing seats available is 4. Actually I have designed is for maximum 4 seats, so it is showing only 4 seats. You can design up to infinite number of seats. Now by default exit gate and entry gate is open and bus is stopped. Let's write the passenger on the bus. Scan the card on RFID. As you can see, available amount is 300 and one passenger occupy 1 seat, that's why the seats available is 3. Let's write one more passenger on the bus. Available balance 600. As you can see, seats available is now 2. Let's start the bus. As you can see, exit gate and entry gate both will get closed and bus start to move ahead. This is showing available seats is 2 and the project is working fine. Now let's bus arrived on desired halt and bus is stopped, so press the stop bus. As you can see, exit gate and entry gate both get open and bus stopped. Now let's occupy one more seat for one more passenger. Available amount 400 and now you can see one more seat is occupied, that's why the number of available seats is reduced to 1. Let's start the bus again. As you can see, exit gate and entry gate both get closed and bus is moving forward. Let's again, the bus arrived on desired halt, then we stop the bus. Let's occupy one more passenger remaining seats. As you can see, available amount is 500 and now seats available is 0. Let's start the bus again. As you can see, exit gate and entry gate both will get closed and bus will move forward. It is showing available seats is 0. Now if we'll stop the bus, you will notice that the only exit gate will get open because there is no available seats, that's why entry gate will not get open. Let's see it again. Let's stop the bus. As you can see, only exit gate will get open, no entry gate will get open. Bus stopped, its available seats is 0. Now let's remove one passenger from the bus. Let's scan its card. As you can see, available amount is 195 and the seats previously it was 0, now it is as 1 seat. Now 1 seat is vacant on the bus. You will notice that the amount was deducted from your card according to your journey traveled. how much distance you have traveled. According to that, your balance will be deducted automatically. Now let's start the bus again. You will notice that exit gate is only closed because initially it was only exit gate was open. Now if we suppose again the bus arrived at designated halt, let's stop the bus. As you can see, this time entry gate also will get open, exit gate it will also will open, and stop the bus. Available seats is 1. Now let's remove one more passenger from the bus. Available amount is 460. Initially it was 500. Now one more seat increases on the bus. Let's remove one more passenger. Available amount 295. Initially it was 300. Let's start the bus again. As you can see, exit gate, entry gate both get closed and bus starts to move. Suppose bus arrived on targeted halt, so stop the bus again. Both gate will get open. Let's remove one more passenger from the bus. Now you can see available amount, and as you can see there is no passenger on the bus, so all seats is vacant in the bus. Now let's start the bus again. As you can see, both gate closed and bus start to move. So friends, our project is working very fine. This bus doesn't include the tracking system. If you require tracking system also in your project, then you comment me and I will shoot a new video and design new circuit on this bus to tracking system.